Have you ever wondered how we make sense of the vast amounts of information around us? How we turn a sea of numbers into meaningful insights? Welcome to the exciting world of data analysis. Imagine for a moment you're a detective, not the kind that chases criminals, but a data detective. Your mission? To uncover the hidden stories within a mountain of numbers. Our adventure begins in a bustling city, amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Picture thousands of messages flying back and forth, each message a piece of data. But right now, they're just random numbers and words. Our job as data detectives is to make sense of this chaos. The first tool in our arsenal? Graphs and charts. Think of these as our magnifying glasses helping us zoom into the details. They transform a confusing jumble of numbers into neat, easy-to-understand visuals. A bar chart, for example, can tell us which ice cream flavor is the most popular in the city. A line graph might reveal how the city's temperature changes over the year. Next, we dive deeper with statistical analysis. This is like our secret decoder ring, helping us find patterns and trends. It might sound complicated, but remember, we're detectives. We love a good mystery. Maybe we discover that ice cream sales go up when the temperature rises, or that more messages fly around the city on weekends. Finally, we use predictive analysis. This is our crystal ball, helping us make educated guesses about the future. Based on the patterns we've discovered, we might predict that ice cream sales will skyrocket during a heat wave, or that the city will be buzzing with messages during the upcoming holiday weekend. But remember, data analysis isn't just about solving mysteries, it's about telling stories, the story of a city that loves ice cream, the story of a bustling metropolis that never sleeps, the story of a world that communicates more on weekends. Each piece of data is a character in our story, and it's our job as data detectives to bring them to life.